What's going on, everybody? How are you all doing? We're back with another unboxing. Now, I just bought a webcam today. Of course, I had to get the Logitech C920 because it is basically every budget gamer slash content creator's go-to because it's budget and it has nice quality. You can see it's actually 1080p 30 FPS and it also records in 720p. Now, I actually made a mistake. I thought this recorded in 720p 60 FPS, but that was actually the Logitech C920, which is, I believe, $100 or $200. So, that was not in my budget. So I had to go with the C920. It's a pretty good webcam. I'm not sponsored by Logitech, but I really do wish that I was, but I'm not. So let's take a look at the features on the side and the back. This flexible HD webcam that goes beyond built-in, small, agile, and adjustable, which it is. And on the back, we have the main features for this webcam. Of course, it records in 1080p as well as 720p, stereo audio, but I won't be using the mic audio itself because I have my own microphone that would just be like going down in quality. And this is HD autofocus, so it automatically focuses. Some people will say that the focus is okay, but it's not the best. I mean, it is only $40 to $60. We also have the comparison between other models, and the C922 is there already. There it says that it records in 60 FPS, 720p, but here it's only 30 FPS for both focus, 720p and 1080p. All right, so let's actually take a look at the webcam. All right, so this isn't like the normal boxing because I bought this from a retail store because they had PayPal as a purchase option. But this boxing is slightly different, but when you open it, you're welcomed by the camera itself. Now it has some plastic wrapping. I believe that it just comes out like that, and okay, so you open it and then you're greeted by the wiring as well, and it is already connected. It is not modular, so I believe you cannot take it out, or maybe you can, I might be mistaken. But this, for the size, it feels pretty heavy in my opinion. And when you look underneath, it has a notch so that you can screw it onto the tripod, which is also included. The cable is also pretty long as well. And if we open this, which we're going to do later, you can see that you can open this sort of like a flip phone, but you'll see what I mean later. And let's see, is there anything else? Thought there would be a tripod. No tripod, I guess. Just more boxes. I'll put those to the side. Okay, and we have the manual and the paper that tells you how to set everything up. Nothing on the back. And we have the user guide. All right, I'll get to those later. All right, so let's take a look at the main focus of this video, the camera. All right, so I'm guessing that I got to take off the plastic wrapping now. So let me just see where this starts. The power of editing, we will skip through all this. I finally figured out all you have to do is just rip it. It is pretty cheap plastic, so that's all you have to do. And now, I believe you unfold it like this. And once you do this, you can actually just rest it on top of your monitor. And if you have a tripod, you can just fold it back in and screw it in like that. Okay, also more plastic here. So much plastic. Oh, so this part is actually has a rubbery texture to it. So I guess for a grip, as well as this part here. It's a slightly different texture, but it has a lot of friction on it as well. Okay, and more plastic on the top. Put that to the side. And the front, so make sure you take off all this plastic. I don't really think that you have to, but I mean, you should. Okay, now there's this other part. I'm trying to, okay. Oh, so this folds out as well. And because I did feel some plastic there, so I figured that it would. And then, all right, so I guess I'm gonna, leave it open like this. And let's just take a look around. I really like the design of this webcam. Of course, Logitech, as I said, is everyone's go-to because it is more bang for your buck, especially the C920. So thank you, Logitech, and I guess that's it. So if you guys wanted me to do like a setup video, let me know in the comments below. I look forward to using this for future videos, and I highly recommend that you get this webcam because from the store that I got it, it was only $40, which you can get it for $50 or $60. The regular price on the Logitech website is around $70, I believe, but you can get it from other stores for cheaper. There will be product links in the description, so if you guys are creators like myself and you've been looking for a webcam to buy, if you haven't already, I'd say go for this one. Any other information that you need will be in the description as well. So thank you all so much for watching this unboxing video. Leave a like if this is your first time on the channel, as well as subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace.